Now I would like to speak about print function. Print function means that if you want to print something to the terminal, you will use print function, okay? So if I put it like this, so it means I say print to the console or print to the terminal string David, okay? If I run, I will clear it and run again. You can see that here is text David, okay? So you can use print with double quotes as well. It's up to you, okay? Again, run it, 2 Davids, okay? One, or the first, the second. You can use it with integers as well, so I will write something like this, 100, print, again integer, and with float as well, of course. It's up to you what will be in the print function. What was here? 4.2, okay? And use it here as well if you want. But how I said, be careful, because this is a string, but it looks like number, right? But it's string. So now I will write clear, click enter, and run again. David, 100, numbers, and so on. Everything what I put in a print function, you can see it right here, okay, in the terminal. So this is the print function.